Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a delicious Indian cuisine butter chicken. First, slice the chicken into half centimeter strips along the grain. Add labneh or unsweet Greek yogurt. Add salt, garlic paste, ginger paste. These are the spices we need. You can find them in Indian or Pakistani spice shop, or you can just use butter chicken spice mix box. Add those spices in the chicken. Mix them really well. Add 1 tablespoon mustard oil. Continue mixing till the oil is fully absorbed. Cover and marinate it for 30 minutes. While marinating, we need some raw cashews and soak them in hot water. After half hour, let's make fried or grilled chicken tikka. After we add the chicken in the pan, quickly separate them. You might want to ask if I can pull all the chicken and stir fry them in one time. I don't recommend that because it will lose so much juice from the chicken. Fry small portion with many times actually can save more time other than concentrating the chicken juice. Once the chicken change color, turn them over immediately. Since we're gonna twice cook them, so here we just need the chicken 80% cooked. After frying all the chicken, let's make the gravy. In a saucepan, add a little butter and oil. Toss the diced onion and 1 chili. Cook the onion till it is soft. Add garlic paste, ginger paste. Continue cooking till the onion is light golden brown. Add diced tomatoes. Mix them well. Add soaked cashews. Add spices. After tomato becomes soft, add tomato paste. If your tomato is in season and fully ripe, you can use another tomatoes instead. If you don't have either, use sugar or lemon to balance tomato sweetness and sourness. Add some water. Cook it till the tomato melted and the sauce becomes thicker. Blend the gravy till it's very smooth. Pour it in a large pot. Add some water. Add cream, heavy cream or cooking cream, both fine. After mixing, add the chicken and its juice. Mix them very well. Add some water to adjust the consistency. Once it brings to boil again, add fenugreek leaves, garam masala powder, fresh coriander leaves. Add some butter. When the butter is melted, means it's ready to serve. Slowly add some cream. More coriander. Finally, I can try it. Let's wrap some chicken. And of course, the sauce. Wow, it's so rich. Normally, I love chicken leg more than breast, but this chicken is very tender. I believe it goes really well with the rice also. If you like this recipe, please give it a try and share with me your results. See you, my friends. Bye.